In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you have bills, invoices, or journal entries that happen on a regular schedule, like monthly rent, subscription fees, or recurring invoices, setting them up once and letting QuickBooks handle the rest can save time and reduce errors. Start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. From the menu that appears, choose Recurring Transactions. This opens the Recurring Transactions Center where you can see any templates you've already created. Think of this page as your control room for everything that repeats. When you're ready to add a new one, click New in the top right. QuickBooks will first ask you to choose the transaction type. Pick the type you need, such as an invoice, sales receipt, expense, bill, check, or journal entry, and then click OK. This choice determines which form you'll complete next, and each one includes the standard fields for that transaction along with scheduling options. You'll now be on the transaction form with a recurring template panel. Give your template a clear name so you can recognize it later. Next, choose the template type. Scheduled will post the transaction automatically on the dates you set. Reminder creates a task for you to review before it posts. Unscheduled simply saves the details so you can use the template whenever you need it without a fixed timetable. Set the interval that matches how often this happens, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, and pick the appropriate day. You can set a start date and either an end date or a number of occurrences, which is helpful for things like a 12-month lease. Then, complete the transaction details as you normally would. For invoices, select the customer, products or services, rates, and taxes. For bills or expenses, choose the vendor, category or item details, amounts, and tax if applicable. If your workflow includes classes, locations, or memos, add those for consistent reporting. When available, you can also enable automatic emailing for invoices if you want QuickBooks to send them without you having to touch it. Before saving, double-check amounts, dates, and the template type so you're comfortable with how and when it will run. If you're testing a new process, using Reminder First is a safe way to review the entries. When everything looks right, save the template. You'll return to the Recurring Transactions list, where you can see the schedule at a glance, edit templates later if amounts change, or make a template inactive if you no longer need it. That's all there is to it. With a few minutes of setup, your recurring work stays consistent and on time every time.